the gas, that's the mandatory roll.
It takes a lot of power.
Straight up in the tower of power. There's the walk over to the side. Airplane's come. Holy cow, look at that. He's absolutely disappeared in his own smoke. The airplane tumbles twice, 3 times, and finally falls. Oh, look at that. He's coming back out. The tail slides still. Now working on the torque of the edge of the propeller, turning to the right. The airplane turning to the left. Wow. Thousands of feet before you let the powering the plane up to 1,000 feet. Now he's holding it right there. He'll start it down before he builds up any speed. Let's set a series of snappers.